Today's thought is life is ticket to the greatest show on the earth. Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope all of you are safe and fit at home, studying well and completing your work on time. This video is for the students of class 8th, subject English. And today in this video, we are going to cover one topic or chapter of our PC Ren's grammar book. This is our chapter number 16 and the name of the chapter is the conjunction. This is my lecture number 2 of the same chapter. This chapter is taken from PC Ren's grammar book. Students, today in this video, you will learn the meaning of compound conjunction and some other conjunctions and their uses along with examples in detail. After then we shall discuss the homework solution of the homework which was assigned to you in lecture number 1 of chapter 16, that is the conjunction. Now let us see what is the meaning of compound conjunction and how it is used in sentences. Now let us see what is the meaning of compound conjunctions. We use many compound expressions as conjunctions. These are called compound conjunctions. Or in simple way, we can say that the phrases which are used as conjunctions are called compound conjunctions. For example, so that, provided that, as well as soon as long as, such that, in order that, etc. These all are compound conjunctions. A compound conjunction may have 2 or 3 parts that they always go together. Now let us see some compound conjunctions along with examples. Number 1, in order that. For example, the notice was published in order that all might know the facts. Number 2, even if. For example, such an act would not be kind even if it was just. Number 3, so that. For example, he saved some bread so that he would not go hungry next day. Number 4 is provided that. For example, you can borrow the book provided that you return it soon. Number 5 is as though. For example, he walks as though he is slightly lame. Number 6 is in as much as. For example, I must refuse your request in as much as I believe it unreasonable. Number 7 is as well as. For example, Rama as well as Govind was present there. Number 8 is as soon as. For example, he took off his coat as soon as he entered the house. Number 9 is as if. For example, he looks as if he is weary. Now let us discuss some more conjunctions which are used in our daily life and their uses along with examples in detail. Let us see how they are used in sentences. Number 1 is since. As a conjunction, it means from and after the time when. Now let's see some examples. Many things have happened since I left school. Number 2, I have never seen him since that unfortunate event happened. Now the highlighted words are conjunctions. Number 2 is seeing that or in as much as. They both are used in place of since, or you can use since also. Let us see some examples to clarify it. Number 1, since you will not work, you shall not eat. Number 2, since there is no help, come let us kiss and part. Note one thing, since word is used when it is used as a conjunction in the sense. should be preceded by a verb in the present perfect tense and followed by a verb in the past indefinite tense. Number third conjunction is or. There are four meanings of or when it is used as conjunction. Let us see number one meaning. To introduce an alternative. For example, your purse or your life. Number two, you must work or starve. Number second meaning is to introduce an alternative name or synonym. For example, the violin or fiddle has become the leading instrument of the modern orchestra. Number third meaning is to mean otherwise. For example, we must hasten or night will overtake us. Number fourth meaning is as nearly equivalent to and. For example, all troops were not wanting in strength or courage, but they were badly led. Dear students, note one thing or remember one thing. There may be several alternatives, each joined to the preceding one by or presenting a choice between any two in the series. To clarify it, let's see an example. He may study law or medicine or engineering, or he may enter into trade. Number fourth conjunction is if. When it is used as conjunctions, it means. So there are four meaning of if. Let us see number one. On the condition or supposition that, for example, if he is there, I shall see him. Number two, if that is so, I am content. Number second meaning is admitting that. For example, if I am blunt, I am at least honest. Number two, if I am poor, yet I am honest. Number third meaning of if is when it is used as whether. For example, I asked him if he would help me. Number two, I wonder if he will come. Number fourth meaning of if is whenever. When it is used as whenever, or you can say. For example, if I feel any doubt, I inquire. Number fourth conjunction is that. When that is used as conjunction, so there are two meanings, or you can say uses of that. So let us see that as conjunction retains much of its force as a demonstrative pronoun. Thus, the sentence is, I am told that you are miserable. So here in the sentence that is used as conjunction. But it may be transposed into you are miserable, I am told that. Here that is used as demonstrative pronoun. Now let us see how that word is used as conjunction in sentences. Number one, it is used to express a reason or cause and is equivalent to because, for that, in that, etc. Let us see some examples to clarify it. Number one, note that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. Number two, he was annoyed that he was contradicted. Number second use is it is used to express a consequence, result, or effect. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, I am so tired that I cannot go on. Number two, he bled so profusely that he died. Number third, he was so tired that he could scarcely stand. Number fifth word is then. When it is used as conjunction, it follows adjectives and adverbs in the comparative degree. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, wisdom is better than rubies. Number two, I see you oftener than him. Number three, I am better acquainted. Acquainted means being familiar with the country than you are. Number fourth, I would rather suffer than enjoy pleasure of sins. As you can see that highlighted word, then it is showing comparison between two words or two nouns or pronouns. Number six word is lest, when it is used as conjunctions in the sentences. Lest is used as subordinating conjunction expressing a negative purpose and is equivalent to in order that, not, for fear that. To clarify it, let's see some example. Number one, don't or do not be idle lest you come to want. Number two, he fled lest he should be killed. Number three, I was alarmed lest we should be wrecked. Number seventh word is while, when it is used as conjunctions. So there are three meanings of it. So let us see. Number one, during the time that or as long as. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, while he was sleeping, his father returned. Number two, while there is life, there is hope. Next meaning is at the same time that. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, the girls sang while the boys played. Number two, while he found fault, he also praised. Number third, when it is used as whereas or the meaning of while is whereas. To clarify it, let's see some example. Number one, while I have no money to spend, you have nothing to spend on. Number two, while this is true of some, it is not true of all. Number eighth word is only. When it is used as conjunction, it means only as a conjunction means except that. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, a very pretty woman, only she squints a little. Squints means look at someone or something with one or both eyes partly closed in an attempt to see more clearly. Number two, a day is pleasant, only rather cold. Number ninth word is unless, when it is used as conjunction. It is used to express except if or opposite of except, means to show the result if one statement is not true or valid. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, I shall not come unless you need me. So here no need to write down not except because except is not a conjunction. Number two, don't trouble yourself about writing to me unless you are quite in the humor for it. So here also no need to write not except. There is an exception in this. The use of without as a conjunction meaning unless is bad English. Or in simple way we can say that it is used to show opposite of without, meaning or means without completion of one condition another condition or statement cannot be true or valid. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number one, unless, not without, means here no need to write down without because without is not a conjunction. Unless you apologize, I shall punish you. Number two, I shall not go unless you do. So here also no need to write down without. So as I have explained you that except and without, they both are not a part of conjunction. Instead of that, we have to use unless. Number 10th word is scarcely, when it is used as conjunction in the sentence. But Scarcely should be followed by when, not by then. To clarify it, let's see an example. Scarcely had he gone when, not then, a policeman knocked at the door. So here, scarcely word it is followed by when, not by the word then. So here, the word then is omitted. No need to write it. Number 11th word is no sooner. When it is used as conjunction, but no sooner is followed by the word then, not by the word but. To clarify it, let's see an example. No sooner he returned than he was off again. As I have told you that no sooner conjunction, it is followed by the word then, not by the word but. So here no need to write down the word but. You have to write down then because no sooner is followed by the word then. Now let us see the 12th word, that is seldom or never. The phrase seldom or ever is meaningless and incorrect. We should say seldom or never as they both have the same meaning and the meaning is prohibited or never. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Such goods are made for export and are seldom or never used in this country. Number 2, barking dogs seldom or never bite. Students, note one thing. In the following sentence, this is as good if not better than that. You will notice that as is omitted after as good. But the best way to correct the sentence is to recast it, means rewrite it. For example, this is as good as that if not better. So this is the correct sentence. Students, note one thing or remember one thing. Care should be taken when using correlative conjunctions such as either or, neither nor, not only but also, that they are followed by the same part of speech. To clarify it, let's see some examples. He lost not only his ticket but also his luggage. But the following sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he not only lost his ticket but also his luggage. Number 13th word is neither nor, when it is used as conjunction. But neither is followed by nor, not by or. To clarify it, let's see some example. Neither his hands nor his face was clean. So here, as I have told you that neither is always followed by nor, not by word or. So we will not write down here word or. So this was your chapter. I hope all of you have understood. Students, you have to complete your homework on the basis of the topic or chapter explained by me. And your homework is revise chapter 16, that is the conjunction, from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the topic, do exercises mentioned in the book PC Ren's Grammar as page number 93, exercise number 2, 3 and 4. Students, you have to do exercise number 2 on a piece of a paper and you have to paste it in the book only. Still many students are not having their PC Ren's grammar book with them. So here in this video, I have mentioned your homework in detail. So let us see exercise number 2. Use these conjunctions in complete sentences. Number 1, but. Number 2, either or. Number 3, neither nor. Number 4th, whether or. Number 5th, that. Number 6th, before. Number 7th, how. Number 8th, as. Number 9th, unless. Number 10th, until. Number 11th, though. Number 12th, when. Number 13th, while. Number 14th, where. Number 15th, if. Number 16th, then. Now let us see exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. Number 1, be just dash fear not. Number 2, I ran fast dash I missed the train. Number 3, make haste dash you will be late. Number 4, dash you try you will not succeed. Number 5, I am sure dash he said so. Number 6, wait dash I return. Let us see exercise number 4. Distinguish as adverb, preposition or conjunction each of the italicized words in the following sentences. Number 1, he came before me. Number 2, he came 2 hours before. Number 3, he came before I left. Number 4, have you ever seen him since? Number 5, I have not seen him since Monday. Now in this video, we shall discuss the homework solution of the homework which was assigned you in lecture number 1 of chapter 16, that is the conjunction. Students, I have already explained you definitions and types of conjunctions along with examples in our previous video. As I assigned you homework which was to be done by you on the basis of your understanding, and your homework was revise chapter 16, that is the conjunction, from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the chapter or topic, do exercise mentioned in the book P.C. Wren's Grammar as. Page number 93, exercise number 1. So now let us discuss exercise number 1 in detail. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences and state whether they are coordinating or subordinating. Number 1, I did not come because you did not call me. Answer is because, and it is subordinating conjunction. Number 2 is catch me if you can. Answer is if, and it is subordinating conjunction. Number 3, is that story true or false? Answer is or, and it is coordinating conjunction. Number 4 is Tom runs faster than hurry. Answer is then, and it is subordinating conjunction. Number 5 is you will be late unless you hurry. Answer is unless, and it is subordinating conjunction. Number 6 is he asked whether he might have a holiday. Answer is whether, and it is subordinating conjunction. Number 7 is he deserved to succeed for he worked hard. Answer is for, and it is coordinating conjunction. Number 8 is we can travel by land or water. Answer is or, and it is coordinating conjunction. That's all for today. So this is the end of the lecture. Students, if you like our videos, then hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.